Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit on Mitrade. And if you want to do this, we go first of all to the symbol list where we will search for the symbol where we want to create a take profit order. So let's go, for example, to Ethereum, click here on Ethereum to US dollars, and then I remove my face cam a little bit so I can show you a little bit better how to take profit. So right now what we're going to do is first of all we want to create an order. So we go here to the right, select buy because we want a long, and then fill in right here for which quantity you want to buy that position. You can also drag this button to select a percentage of your balance. So let's do 10% of my balance. I want to put that right here to Ethereum. And then after that, it's quite simple because here is standing an option take profit. So if I click now here on the button is blue and that means that we can start or take profit. So right now we can fill in right here the price, and yeah, you can do your own analyze right here. But let's say, for example, it's not good, but just for example, when Ethereum hits 3K, we fill that in, he will automatically close or trade. So right now you see right here the estimated profit and loss. So right now when Ethereum goes to 3K, he will automatically take the profit of our trade. So if I now click here on buy, you see right here that we created ourselves the order. Right here, Ethereum with a leverage of 2, buy position with these lots, and then at take profit, you see right here 3K. So now we can wait until he will hit 3K, and then our position will automatically close. So this is how you can take profit right here on Mitrade. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.